Hello everyone, this is Luke. Today I will show you how to reset your Instagram algorithm. If you find this video interesting, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First, open Instagram and click on your profile in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap the three lines to open the full settings menu. Scroll down to the What You See section and select Content Preferences. At the very bottom, you will see the option Reset Suggested Content. Click on it and read the confirmation message to understand what happens when you reset it. After reading, click Next. Then confirm by tapping Reset Suggested Content and again Reset Suggested Content. Now just wait for Instagram to refresh your content. And that's it. Your algorithm has been reset. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.